If you've ever wished your Telegram chats could be just a little more organized, today's tutorial is exactly what you need. In this quick walkthrough, I'll show you how to create folders on Telegram so you can group conversations, channels, and groups just the way you want. By the end, you'll know how to make your chats easier to find and keep your messaging space tidy, whether you're chatting with friends, managing work projects, or following your favorite channels. Let's jump in. First, you'll want to open your Telegram app. On most phones, you'll see three horizontal lines in the top corner that open the main menu. On some versions, especially if you're using iOS, you might need to tap your profile picture instead. Whichever it is, go ahead and tap that. Don't worry if your screen looks a bit different. Telegram updates sometimes move things around, but the main options are always close by. This opens up your settings and gives you access to the tools we need. Now scroll down in the settings menu until you spot chat folders. This is where Telegram keeps all its folder magic. Sometimes you may have to swipe just a bit. It's easy to miss if you're moving quickly. Tap Chat Folders, and you'll be taken to a screen where you can see any folders you already have, or if this is your first time, a clean slate. To actually create a new folder, look for the Create New Folder button, or it might appear as a little plus icon depending on your app's version. Go ahead and tap that. You'll see a spot to name your folder. The name matters. Think about what you're hoping to organize. For example, you could name it Family for relatives, Projects for work-related chats, or Bots if you like keeping your automated services separate. Personally, I use folders for everything from coordinating events to following tech updates. Choose something that makes sense for you so you'll always know what's inside at a glance. Next comes adding chats to your new folder. Tap Add Chats, and you'll be shown a list of your conversations, groups, and channels. Just tap the ones you want included. Maybe you want to gather all your family groups together, or perhaps you'd like to separate business channels from your personal ones. What's great is you can also choose to exclude specific chats. Say you want every chat except promotional channels, you can easily filter those out. Don't worry if you're not sure. You can always go back and tweak your selection later. Think of this step like packing a suitcase. Take a minute, scan your options, and decide what belongs. Once you're happy with your choices, tap the checkmark or hit save. This is the moment your folder comes to life. Telegram will whisk you back to your chats, and you'll notice a new tab appear at the top of your screen. That's your folder. Clicking it instantly filters your conversations. No more scrolling through endless lists to find what you need. It's kind of like setting up labeled drawers. You'll thank yourself later when life gets busy. And that's it, you've set up your Telegram folder. If you want to add more folders, just repeat the steps. You can edit, rename, or reorganize anytime, so your organization can grow right alongside your chat list. If you found this video helpful, please tap that like button and let me know in the comments if you ran into any trouble or have other Telegram questions. I'm always happy to help, and for more easy tech tutorials, be sure to subscribe and turn on notifications. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.